Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Manish, watching your tech and coding channel, My Code Works. So guys, in this video, we are going to see how to install n8n in Windows 11 or Windows 10. So guys, in this video, I will walk through how to install n8n using Docker technology and run locally on your system. So if you simply search n8n, then we'll get this particular site n8n.io. Okay, so we'll simply jump on it official site, or we can say, if you see down, n8n.io, same only. So let's wait a little time, and then we will try to install n8n locally and set up locally on Windows 11. So it will take in time. If you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe and click on bell icon for more updates, guys. I upload this kind of tutorials for you only, so I need support from you guys, and I love to see you guys supporting. So let's accept all, and if you see here, this is the n8n.io official site. Now get started for free. I will just click on this, get started for free. If you see here, start automating today, and if you have already n8n account, then you can simply log in. I think from here, account login from here. If you checking this first time or creating account on n8n first time, then you can fill these detail here. Then you will get an account name like .ape.n8n.cloud. You can simply access from anywhere. Now if you want to set up, if you see little down, looking to self-host, the community edition is for individuals with basic automation needs who are ready to self-host n8n. Let's click on open installation docs. Right now, if you see here, doc installation on server setup, how we can install Windows, like on Windows. So and install n8n or any platform using npm or docker. You can use npm or docker or follow guides to popular hosting platform. Now I will go through this first Docker installation guide. So setting up n8n requires technical knowledge, including setting up the reconfiguring server and containers, managing application sources, and scaling self-host knowledge prerequisite. These are the data. These are the requisite for if you are hosting self-host, right? n8n. You can follow the video for installation also. Let's directly jump into main Docker desktop. You can install for here Docker Engine, Docker Compose also available. Now starting n8n, right? From your terminal, run the following command using time zone. Placeholder with your time zone. Okay, so time zone basically generic time zone environment available. Generic time zone, what is generic time zone? Let's see here, and then we will figure out. So first let's copy this, and from your terminal I will search cmd. Okay, and then we will set this timeline first. Time zone, actually it's time zone. Okay, time zone America, New York, en. Generic time zone will be something like this. I will use this one, right? So let's I will edit this first and then replace it. Notepad. Okay, I will use this one, first one, and let me correct this first. So time zone should be something like this. Let's try it, generic time zone, and let's open. Okay, let me replace it here. Your time zone again, let me replace it here. Rest is same, right? Let me copy it. Or just a second. Okay, we have this much. Volume create docker run. Let me copy. Sorry, no, I need to copy it from here again and put inside the terminal. Paste anyway. Okay, so I think this is directly we cannot paste it, right? As one second, where replacing from your terminal, run the following commands. Replacing your time. Okay, run the following commands. Let's run this first one. I think this is already created. Let me clear this. Let me run this first. Paste anyway and hit it. So n8n underscore data, now it is created. The second one is n8 docker. Okay, let me mark this as let me remove this, all the slashes first. I will mark this as a one single command. Okay, and then okay, let's copy this as one command, single command, and run it on here. Okay, unable to find docker n8n io latest locally. Okay, unable to find the image, so it's pulling it out. If you see here, it's pulling it out from docker. I will just little okay, maximize this, and if you see the n8n image is getting pulled latest version from docker. The image, we don't have image, the latest version in local system, so it is pulling out. So you can see that installation, the downloaded newer version of this particular n8n io latest version installed, downloaded. Now it's migrating the things, right? If you see here, the migration is going on, finished, migration, finished, like started, finished, and started, finished. So all status as a migration only. So it's migrating the images detail in locally, I think so. And then once it's done, we are ready to go. If you see here, there are duplication related to environment variables. Please take a recommendation. DB escalate full size. Okay. So these are the some n8n task broker ready, that is running on. Okay, so n8n task broker is ready and running on 127.0.0. I think this is localhost port 5679. So press O to open in browser. Let me press O, or let me press O or 0. No. Let's see, it's O or 0. Okay, simply we can go here and this is 5678 localhost slash 5678. Okay, localhost 5678 localhost. Okay, 5678, and let's hit this. Wow, guys, if you see here, this is amazing. We need to set up the account. Localhost also we need to set up the account. Let's set up this first, and I will use my account. I will use my Gmail. Okay, so I have one account, that is this one, and my okay, let's run this. It's in my system only, so shukla my shukla and okay, sorry, it should be as last name. Let's put it. Okay, so let's next click on next, and let's describe yourself. What best describe you? Software service, e-commerce, education. I'm not using it in for work. Okay, software service, I'm just using for education purpose. And what role best describe you? Role as engineering, automate, CI/CD, data reporting, and other. I don't want to reporting other. Okay, I just looking for automate. Who will your automation mainly to be for myself? How big you are? I'm not using n8n for work. How did you hear about Google? Get started. Okay, advanced debugging, execution, search, tagging, folders. So license key, get paid feature. Now I don't want to get paid feature, so I just simply skip it. So finally, guys, n8n is installed in locally in our system, and it's running here. If you see on localhost, you can start from scratch. You just click on it here, and you will get the n8n dashboard here. So it's a board where you can add this trigger, open, manually run a flow. See, if you see, when I click on this, it will go start, and just we can add AI inside this AI agent, and let's connect this AI agent. How it is going to be connected here? Okay, so you can fill the data here, and memory, chat model, which chat model you want. This is canvas where you are going to do the things. So in this video, we just simply took how we can install n8n in local Windows 11 and using Docker. So thanks for watching this video, guys, and if you really understand and how to install, so if this video is helpful for you, please like and comment. If you stuck anywhere, as also it's working fine, comment my code works in, and then share with your friends who wants to learn how to install in locally. And thanks for watching this video, guys. We'll meet in this video with this n8n tutorial. Till then, bye bye. Happy installation.